Like, why did they do this? Who asked for these? Over the last year, Jordan Brand has been building up the hype around the Jordan 1 once again, giving us some iconic colorways, some really nice 85 retros, as well as just an overall improvement in shape, quality, and the colorways. But the sneakers I'm reviewing today are one of the loudest Jordan 1s we've seen in a long time, and will have people asking why. But let's break them down. My name is Josh, and I will be reviewing the Jordan 1 White Cement. So the Jordan 1 White Cement. So these released early in Europe on February the 25th, but the official release date in North America won't be until May the 6th. So my American viewers watching this, you guys will have to wait a few months. But the good news for anyone waiting on the shoe is that here in Europe, these did not sell out. They were sitting, they're still available on the sneakers app and pretty much any store that carries them. Expect the same type of release in North America. You shouldn't have too much trouble getting these. The retail price on this, by the way, was $180. Now, late last year, Jordan Brand got everyone in the sneaker world excited when they announced that these would be dropping, the Jordan 3 White Cement reimagined. And why? Because a lot of people will say this is the best colorway ever of the Jordan 3. That model has been iconic for its use of that cement print, and it's very rare that we see that print on other Jordan or Nike models. It's been done on some dunks like the Atmos SBs as well as the Atmos Air Max 1s, but to my knowledge we have never seen the cement print used on a Jordan 1 before until this. And Jordan Brand was not subtle whatsoever with the use of that print because they just went absolutely crazy with it. It's impossible to ignore. It's so loud, in fact, that this is truly a love it or hate it type of shoe. Let me know down in the comments what are your thoughts on this pair. But now let's get into the review, starting off with the box, which I actually think is the best part about this shoe. A pretty nice all over cement print on the box. If you're the type of guy, you got many Jordan 1s and you like to keep the boxes, if you want to wear that white cement pair, you're not going to have too much trouble finding them. And getting into the shoes themselves, now the first pair I thought of when I saw this shoe is actually a pair from 2002. This was the Nike Dunk Supreme. You got that same elephant print with the black swoosh as well. With this pair, they've basically used like a Chicago style color blocking here, putting the print on the mudguard as well as the back panels of the shoe, including the ankle collar. You get a white toe box, some white mid panels with a black swoosh to contrast. Additionally, moving down to the midsole, you get a pretty nice cream midsole here, an aged looking midsole, and the outsole is done in a simple gray color. The laces that come standard with this pair are black laces, but you also get an extra pair of white laces as well. The entire upper of the sneaker is done in leather, and at least it's some pretty decent leather. Both the white panels as well as the cement panels feel pretty soft. The shape on this pair is slightly different than what we've been getting from some recent GR Jordan 1s like that True Blue colorway, also the Starfish Jordan 1s. On those pairs, the shape, especially at the back, is much more straight. You can see on this pair, it is quite curved here. For sizing on these, if you've never worn a pair of Jordan 1s before, for me, they fit true to size. So it's the same size I wear in most Nike Dunks, as well as Nike Air Max sneakers and Jordan 4s and Jordan 3s as well. These feel pretty good on feet right out the box because, like I said, the leather on this is quite soft. So no complaints there. Go true to size and you should be happy. Overall, the Jordan 1 White Cement, are these a cop or a drop? Now, I'll be honest, I don't think this colorway is as bad as a lot of the early reactions have been to this pair, because having these in hand, they are pretty clean. The color blocking is pretty clean. I do think that they just maybe went a bit too crazy with that elephant print. Maybe the shoe would have looked better with a black toe style color blocking. I'm actually pretty surprised Jordan Brand even made this shoe. This design is something that, you know, you just kind of create on your computer just for fun, and then you just put it in this fun folder somewhere, not to actually expect that it would ever go into production, you know what I mean? As I said at the start of this video, I've been really enjoying what Jordan Brand has been doing with the ones recently, but these, in my opinion, just a bit too loud, so for me, they're definitely a pass. Also taking into consideration that another sneaker will be dropping this month in a pretty similar colorway, and that is the White Cement Jordan 3, which I think a lot of people circled on their calendar as one of the must-have shoes of the year. So I would rather personally save my money for that pair instead of copying these. But let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Jordan 1 White Cement? Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week, and follow my TikTok and Instagram, as well as check out the podcast. All of these links are in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.